Here we go. In 3, 2, 1. Monkey, Ren, Mike. Yay!
I'm in the car.
All right, Mr. Squirrel, there you go. Go hide in your little tree. Okay, the time has come. We're bringing dessert. Yep, this is a Christmas gift for my daughter Monica. We're bringing dessert to Mom and Tom's. And the biggest gift of all, we're driving the Bummer Bimmer. And just like that, we're off. I literally haven't driven this car 10 miles out of town. Yep, today we're going 30 something miles out of town. Hopefully we will make it. So we're gonna get some gas. The next time you'll see what's going on, we'll be pulling up to Mom and Tom's house. All right, we are now officially further than we have ever been in the Bummer Bimmer. And if it weren't for the rattles coming from the top that hasn't all the way down, it'd be a good little car. It's not the quietest convertible that I've ever had, but it's certainly not the loudest. That would be the little MG Midget because there's no insulation upstairs. But this car seems to be doing fine. We are cruising along 75 miles an hour. Got 350 miles left in the gas tank. Temperature is looking good. RPMs are not excessively high for a little 6-cylinder twin turbo. Listening to some good music, and yes, the AC even works. Love it. Okay, next stop, Destination Tom. All right, we're getting very, very close. I certainly hope that Tom appreciates me bringing this car up here to show him all the progress that we have made, because Tom and this car have a bit of a history. Yeah, it's been a good history. They just love each other so very much. In fact, the Bummer Bimmer liked being there so long, so much that it stayed there for a very, very long time. Yeah, the Bummer Bimmer stayed parked in his driveway for many months, but that's okay. All right, we're getting close, so we're going to put the camera down here, and we're going to see if the BMW remembers what it's like to come back to see Truthful Tom. Okay, here we go. Okay, yeah, we made it. We are here. So let's see what's going. Oh no, there he is. Let's see. Does he look happy? I don't think he looks very happy. Hold on. Okay, my microphone's caught. Hold on. Do you remember this car? Are these fond memories or no? Look at the face. He loves this car, right? Okay, so at this point we gave up on trying to start the car. The focus became trying to get it off that dadgum trailer. Tom, tell us what's going on here. What have we done today?
Well, we made a lot of progress today. It's looking good. We've got the engine turned over, good engine. We've ran into a couple snags, like no fuel, and we've got it almost off the trailer, and we were going to leave it here at our house.
Thank you for that too.
Looking like a piece of you-know-what sitting in the middle of the driveway.
There they are, Truthful Tom, Mama Monkey Wrench.
Your mother.
Yeah, here we go. She.
Is this a Bummer Bimmer?
I brought the Bummer Bimmer back.
Well, you were 15 minutes late, now I'm starting to worry.
Oh, she was okay. They didn't think I was going to make it.
She was thinking you wouldn't. I was
Hey, babe.
hoping.
You were hoping I wouldn't make it back?
Well, no, I just worried. I did get the tow chain. I got it in the truck.
You got it? Okay.
Yeah.
No, it
looks
did
good.
pretty good. I mean, I brought an extra wheel, the big time jack, and all my tools just in case.
But other than that, you had total confidence.
Other than that, I had total confidence. Yeah.
That looks cool.
Well,
Wow.
I actually took a football to it.
Really? You got a little ding over here. Has that been there?
That's been there,
Okay.
but I took a football to it.
What do you mean a
Yeah.
football to it?
Okay, do you remember the car was all kind of had like a huge dent right here and a huge dent right here? I stuck a football behind this.
Oh, okay.
And I inflated the football.
Wow.
And it popped it out a lot.
Really?
And then I stuck it back here. I took the headlight out, and it popped this out a little bit, and I can do some more. It's giving me lots of headaches, but it got me here, so that's what's
And
important.
it has a black cloth cover.
Uh-huh.
And it's a
It's,
convertible.
it's a convertible, but it doesn't convert.
So it's a non-convertible.
Right, it doesn't.
Okay.
The top won't go back right now. It's still broken.
Now, did you bring a drop cloth to put under it this time?
No.
We still got
No.
some of this right over there.
Oh, is that one of the
Under
leaks?
That nice American pickup.
Uh-huh.
We've got.
There is. There's a little squirt right here from the Bummer Bimmer. Yep, right there. You're welcome. That's how we christened the driveway, right?
I told your mother you'd never have the nerve to bring that wreck back up here, but I was wrong. Yeah.
Well, I'm getting a lot of nerve in my old age,
Yeah,
so.
I can
Yeah.
see that.
Yeah. But we made it!
I tell you, that's a lot better car than it was when you started, I'll tell you that. Good grief. I
Yeah.
remember us pulling it off of the trailer.
Yeah. Remember that? You had to jump. It started to flip up, and you had to jump off the trailer.
I remember that. I was a lot younger then. Yeah, well, I didn't tell your mother about that one.
Glad I can't see a lot of things.
Yeah, well.
That helps. That helps life a lot. She can't see what I do,
Yeah.
but she can still glare at me. But yeah, I remember that. I'd forgotten that. Uh-huh.
And then we had to like saw some things off, and had to use your glasses and all that kind of
And
stuff.
then it wouldn't start, so we took everything apart in the rear end. That had nothing
Yep.
to do with it.
Nothing to do with
Nothing
it.
to do with it. We replaced that little part, and that didn't have anything to do with it.
Right. We were able to get it off of the trailer. You saw that. It was just a circus of fun. And they're going to let me park it here, even though I still can't get this thing. Meanwhile, money was just flying out of the bank account.
Well, meanwhile, the 3 weeks I was going to spend in my driveway turned into what, 6 months?
I don't know.
Yeah, about that.
Was it 6
No, it
months?
was a year.
Was that-
Wasn't it 2 Christmases?
No, it was one Christmas.
Oh, okay.
It was because you put a bow on it for one Christmas.
I did. Yeah, that was
Yeah.
the second Christmas.
All right, I just pulled up, and I got to tell you, look right there. Can you see? Yeah, there's a little red bow on the beautiful car. Let's go see what it says. I know they're going to be watching. Are they watching at the window? Okay, hold on. Let's see what happens. We're going to read this, and then we're going to start the video. Okay. Let's see who got smart. I got a red bow, and it says, "Merry Christmas, Monkey Wrench Mike. This is the car you always wanted. Please give it a good home."
This is the third Christmas for that Pete.
And but didn't we have friends who asked us about the car?
We had friends asking about what happened because that car was in the driveway.
For so long.
Well, the police came by and wanted to check it out, ran it. Oh.
See? How much fun is life with the Bummer Bimmer? Yeah. We are back present day right now. I certainly hope everybody had a wonderful Christmas. We're getting ready for New Year's, so please be careful out there. Don't drink and drive because I need every single subscriber that I have right now. I can't lose anybody, and I need to quadruple my subscribers to survive. Woo! Yeah, I get my first paycheck where it's totally YouTube, and that's going to happen on the 21st. And the revenue, well, we could use some more. So anyway, trying to be positive here, folks. If you are a subscriber, thank you very much. Thanks for hanging with me. I have a huge video coming up if I'm allowed to tape it. My good friend Randy at Auto Auction Rebuilds has another good friend who is equally as big in YouTube land, and Randy's invited me up to Kansas to visit him. Who could it be? But anyway, Randy's going to pick up a car, and I'm going to go with him, and hopefully I'll get to meet another YouTube superstar who can give me a little bit of advice and maybe throw some subscribers my way as well. So stay tuned for that. Hopefully, if it happens. If it does not, we have the Force Find BMW there, and we have a big update on Rusty, the old Rusty SL 500. And the CLK is this close to getting back on the road. You'll see the first video, which should include a lot of work on her, coming up very, very soon. Okay, everybody, once again, have a great new year, and we'll see you very shortly. Bye-bye.